We are in Bel Air, Maryland, spring break capital of the world for the East Coast Rep Festival. And if I gave you 60 seconds, think you could talk about whatever you wanted? This is ERRF in 60 seconds, brought to you by LDO Motors.
Hi, Jason from LDO Motors. I have 60 seconds now.
Are you ready, Jason?
Yes.
Go.
Yes, so LDO Motors, we have a bunch of new productions this year. First of all, it's printed step motor from Cocoa Press. We LDO Motors is the OEM manufacturer for the Cocoa Press chocolate machine. And now we have another new production, all-in-one orbit extruder. We call the Smart Orbit, Orbit 3. Orbit 3, yeah. And we also have a new board for the volume. It's called the Leviathan. New board, totally new one.
30 seconds.
Yeah, and volume new extruder, Galileo. And now let's focus on the positron. Yeah, this is an old one, positron from beta, but now we have the pre-production now. The production will be soon around the end of year. I hope everyone will like our new design. Yeah, we keep doing volume and any other open source project. We try help open source as much as we can. That's all.
Done.
Good.
Eat the sucker.
Thank
Eat
you.
the sucker. Eat the sucker. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Steve from HueForge, and I have 60 seconds.
Are you ready?
Yes!
Go.
All right, so I'm Steve. I wrote HueForge. HueForge is a tool to make really cool art on your 3D printer, not with an AMS, not with a multi-material unit, though it's easier. Swap by layer, and you can just make super cool art by blending your filaments and using the fact that they aren't solid in order to get really neat effects with your images you have at home and your printer you have at home. We've been working for 6 months now, and just great response from the community. We have a lot of filaments in our library, and we have a lot of people doing amazing things with HueForge. And we are just super excited to be out here at ERRF for our first ever 3D printing festival. And love seeing all the people out here in the community. And also, love seeing all the creators coming out here and just talking to people like me. Thank you very much.
You got two? You got one?
I got nothing more.
My name is Gil, and I have 60 seconds.
Are you ready, Gil?
I'm ready.
Go.
All right, first, look, we got Chopper. He is so cool. He kills a lot of people, but we don't talk about that. He's a rebel. All right, cool. And then there's Chopper's twin in the back. And then that's K9. He's Darth Vader's droid. And then this is Q5. He was in Rogue One. And then R2-D2. He's the hero. We love him. And R5. If you watch Mando, you know R5. He's the hero. He's amazing. And I'm behind him. It's our duo, right over there. He's from Star Wars Visions. Oh my goodness, 26 seconds. Let's move this way. There's R2. R2, I need you to dance right now. Do it. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, it's amazing. R2-D2, everyone. This is Star Wars. Enjoy. 10 more seconds. We got a pit droid. We got a medical droid. We got all the droid builders. We got 3D printing nerd. I don't know where to go next. Ah! Light speed!
Hello, I'm Tim H, and I got 60 seconds. I am ready. All right, so I got here a custom tool changer. This was done about 3 years ago to start. So it'll swap out the entire tool head. So I got 2 print tools, 2 pen tools, and a spindle tool. So right now we're plotting out a little business card here with the pen tool. It'll look like that. And then with the spindle tool here, we do little dice trays. Start with a piece of wood. You got a dice tray out of it. So that's all done. It's about 2 hours per half. This whole thing has been taking about 3 years to do. It's taken a while. The extruders are all custom geared in there to get them to fit in where it has to fit. The whole thing is the smallest you can really go and fit 4 tools. Unlike the E3D tool changer that's massive, or the XL, this is a nice small one.
10 seconds.
The tool changing mechanism itself is based off the E3D one, a few minor modifications. And if you want more info, check out my website.
Even though the timer's going off, I want you to know about this because it's cool. Tell them your website.
It's a lot of fun. Orthogonalcube.xyz.
This is Chris from Chris's Basement, and I have 60 seconds.
Are you ready, Chris?
I'm ready.
Go.
All right, so this year we have a special guest playing the guitar, David here, while we talk about 3D printed guitars. So we have the Prusa Caster here. Mickey over at Prusa designed this one. You can download it, the blog posts, all that good stuff, build it yourself, very affordable. And then we did the 3D printed amp. It's just a skinned amp, 3D printed parts. All this stuff will be on printables. And then David is rocking out to the 3D printed Explorer. So it's an Explorer copy. Let's not talk about copies of anything, but it is a pretty good, successful guitar. It plays really well. You can see he's definitely rocking out on it. And just for ERRF this year, we have the 3D printed Flying V version. So you can't have an Explorer without a Flying V. They kind of go hand in hand. But the Fotis Mint vanilla white filament, it kind of matches vintage white that Gibson uses. So it was very fitting. We can do the whole thing. And we're in plenty of time for our 60 seconds.
Hi, I'm Peter from WhamBam, and I've got 60 seconds.
You ready, Peter?
Yes.
Go.
So WhamBam is all about making 3D printing easier, more fun, and more productive for the user. We've got everything. We've got hot boxes for resin printers. Our new release is the Mega. Those will keep your printers nice and toasty while they're printing. We've got Mega slap mats and slap mats, high-grade silicone mats to keep your workplace clean. Have a look at that, David. We've got flexible build systems that we designed and invented. Here's our XTR. This is for resin, super strong. You could actually pinch your finger. Oh my God, let's go over here. We've got the Cloud fire suppressor. We've got the Mutant tool changing head. And our new addition this year, we have the hot box for the Bamboo P1P. It's going to be out in 3 weeks, and we're super excited about it. We have 2 more hot boxes for FDM and a laser protective window. Did I get it?
You got 6 seconds.
And we can't wait to have you all visit our website. Thank you.
Time.
Yeah. Oh my God.
I'm Rob Stewart. I go by Bornity, and I have 60 seconds.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Go.
Let's do this. I have a Deltesian printer here, something we've been working on for the past 4 or 5 years. Finally got to bring it out and show it off. It's a hybrid between a Delta and a Cartesian bed. So you have an XZ frame and an independent bed, and it can hold a large print head and pretty open, large arms, pretty fun motion. So it's been really enjoyable just working on it because it always turns heads. People always get excited, kind of saying, what is that? And, you get the best of both worlds and the worst of both worlds, which makes it really exciting. So, this has been in development for a long time. We now have a Clipper implementation, which we're excited about. And we've got several different versions that people have been working on over the years. It's just been a really exciting project to be able to develop and, bring this out here, finally show it off to people to see, what we can do with this. So, been really exciting to be over here at ERRF and check this stuff out.
Keep going.
All right, I got a 5, 4, 3. Yep, so been an awesome time.
Time.
There we go.
Hello, I'm Fotis Mint, and I have 60 seconds.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Yeah,
let's
do
go.
this. Go.
So I'm a digital sculptor. I brought very big prints today with me here. As you can see, I have my dragons, I have my Fenrirs. This is made by Charo Zak. I don't know if you know how Charo Zak is, but he made amazing supports and amazing 3D resin prints. I'm here today. I met a lot of people, and this was one of the best ERRFs I've ever been. And here you can see all my work that you can find in printables. You can find me in Patreon.
30 seconds, Fotis.
30 seconds. Okay, what else do we have? So what else do we have? I'm stuck. I'm about my models. Yeah, I love making original concepts nowadays because my fan art is now free in printables. We released them all free to the crowd, and now we're focusing mostly on original concept. We're trying our best to do our own thing, and that's pretty much it, I think.
Time.
Okay.
Hey, I'm Dustin, the owner of The Next Decade, and I have 60 seconds.
Are you ready, Dustin?
Let's go!
Go.
All right, so I love tokusatsu. It's Japanese special effects. It's super awesome stuff. It's things like Godzilla, Ultraman, Kamen Rider, Super Sentai, or Power Rangers, better known in the States. And I like to make props and costumes based off stuff like that. Over here is my Shin Kamen Rider based off the new Shin Kamen Rider movie. I love Kamen Rider. This is my favorite design, and I had a great time 3D printing and modeling this. The helmet was done by my friend Rat Product 3D out of Indonesia, and the chest was also a collaboration between him and me, but this belt buckle is all completely done by me, and it's available on my Etsy and webpage, thenextdecade.co. Also here, we got my Kamen Rider 5's outfit. Over here, we have a bunch of little trinkets and giveaways we like to pass along to people, because who doesn't like free stuff? But more importantly, we are moving into crazy new flexible filaments. This is foam. This is a 3D printed foam mini helmet. We're going to be printing full-size foam helmets. So if you want to get some 3D printed costumes, whether it be from Tokusatsu or something else, I'm your guy. Come hit us up over at thenextdecade.co. You got 5 seconds? Oh, I got 5 seconds? Yo, watch Kamen Rider. It's like my favorite thing. I don't know what else to say, but watch Kamen Rider. It's free on Tubi.
You're done.
Hello, my name is TJ, and I have 60 seconds.
Are you ready, TJ?
I am.
Go.
Okay, so I paint all of the miniatures here. I also got a resin printer from yours truly, the 3D printing node, which I printed some of these miniatures. If you can see, I printed them. And then this prop I made last year. I printed it on the Miodex, which is a custom printer, and it's made of PLA and I painted it, as you can see. I make a prop every day for Mof, and I made this one last year, and I painted it, stained it, and wrapped the leather. Then this year, this one's made of resin, and yeah, it's cool.
You just saw a bunch of people tell you amazing things in 60 seconds. We're about to wrap it up here at the East Coast Rep Rap Festival. Thanks to LD Motors for making this possible. If you made it this far, you're awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more, fight for a cause you believe in, print all the things, and as always, high five.